Very good morning to one and all. Honorable Chairman Shri Satesh D. Patil, respected Campus Director Colonel S.K. Joshi, respected eminent speakers for today's session, Mr. Sandeep Reddy Mallu, Mr. Nisarga Mehta, Mr. Pranay Vasani, and Dr. Amit Andre. Respected Principal and Convener of the program, Dr. Vijay M. Badai, Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, Vice Principal and Convener of the program, invited guests, respected HODs, deans, faculty members, and dear participants. On behalf of Dr. D.Y. Patil Pratishthan's D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurdi, I, Mrs. Nehal Gaikwad, Assistant Professor from ENTC Department, welcome you all for fourth day of international webinar with hands-on workshop on artificial intelligence and data science, organized by ENTC Computer, Instrumentation and Information Technology Department of the college. Dear students, all of us do not have equal talent, but all of us have equal opportunity to develop our talent. Well said by Dr. Abdul Kalam. By means of this workshop, we have provided you an opportunity to develop your talent and shown a path for your future journey towards knowledge and technology using this online platform in this crisis situation of COVID-19. Now, without any further delay, may I now request Dr. Mrs. P. Malti, Vice Principal and Convener of this program, to address us and share her opening remarks for the day. Over to you, Malti ma'am.
Thank you, Snehal. Good morning, everyone. Respected Principal, Dr. Vijay M. Badai, respected speakers of today's international workshop on artificial intelligence and data science, all the heads of the teams, faculty members, and my dear student participants. I welcome you all for this fourth day international workshop on artificial intelligence and data science. We have gained maximum knowledge out of all the 3 days from the eminent speakers from India and abroad. And I'm sincerely requesting all the participants to take maximum participation in this fourth day workshop also. First of all, I would like to thank our management, our chairman, Honorable Sri Satesh D. Patil sir, and our campus director, Colonel S.K. Joshi sir, for having given us this opportunity to arrange this particular workshop for our students. Not only for our students, as well as for the prospective students. Secondly, I would like to welcome Mr. Sandeep Reddy Mallu, Head of Analytics and Hiring, Gramener, TEDx speaker, and he's advisor for executives at leading enterprises and NGOs on data science. We welcome you, sir, on behalf of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurudi, Pune. Second, I would like to welcome Mr. Nisarga Mehta, Google Assistant App Community Developer, who has already given a lecture on yesterday also, where more students were actively participated. And today also he is going to give the speech about digital transformation and Google Assistant Developer. And the third speaker for today's international workshop is Mr. Pranay Vasani. He is a director, Client Solutions, United States, New Jersey, Somerset. He is into business analytics, data science, and data visualization. We welcome you, sir. The fourth speaker of today's workshop is Dr. Amit Andre. He is a senior scientist and vice president, technology services, Vinsys Corporation, USA. He has 15 plus years experience and he has traveled across 78 countries. So I'd like to welcome Mr. Arpit Yadav, who is an artificial intelligence and data science researcher and he is giving practical hands-on experience to the students. I would like to welcome all the speakers once again from on behalf of D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akurudi, Pune. Now there is a sincere request from our side to all the student participants to take active participation in this workshop so that you can gain maximum knowledge out of it whichever field you are. Artificial intelligence and data science is going to play a very dominant role in your future life also. So thank you very much for your patient listening. Thank you all. Over to Helen.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words of wisdom and enlightening us. Now, may I request Principal and Convener of the program, Dr. Vijay M. Vadai, to guide the student participants with his words of motivation. Over to you, Principal, sir.
ओम नमो गुरुभ्यो गुरुपादुकाभ्यम नमो परभ्यम परपादुकाभ्यम आचार्य सिद्धेश्वर पादुकाभ्यम नमो नमः श्री गुरु पादुकाभ्यम. In the world of the artificial intelligence and data science, we were expecting to have the guru-like personality in the field of artificial and data science. And fortunately, over the period of this 3-4 days, today is the 4th day of this international workshop on artificial intelligence and data science, we could listen to the many stalwarts from the various countries, including India. Today also, we have a very, very eminent and the experienced personality in the field of the analytics specifically. If I was just interacting with Mr. Sandeep. He is a very young, dynamic person, and I was wondering to see that in a short span of time he has mastered and actually is working and onto the various online projects, the operations across this, not only in India, Pune, Bangalore, and Hyderabad, but also, working for the complete global company called as a Grameen. Sandeep, most welcome. Dr. Malti has given the very, very nice welcome speech. But still, as the head of the institute, I welcome to you. With the blessings of Ma Saraswati and our honorable chairman, Sri Sateshji Patil sir, who being the very instrumental as far as bringing the quality of this such kind of the programs, and he is very concerned about the quality of the any teaching learning happening into the D.Y. Patil Educational Complex. He's concerned about the quality and quality, and considering the futuristic growth of this educational institution, that's why we have introduced 120 intake in the artificial intelligence and data science. So thank you very much for blessings and giving the directions to this particular campus. Honorable Campus Director, Sri Colonel S.K. Joshi sir, who is always behind the quality, and he remained as a very strong backbone for this entity, and he has given all insights and all the praise for the whatever the workshop which is going on since last 4 days. I think that with his blessings and the very strong 4 department, Dr. Priti Patil madam heading the IT department, Dr. Khairnar, he is heading the ANTC department. In the computer department, Dr. Vinay Kotawar and Dr. Musmade from instrumentation, we have synchronized their energy for the sake of this particular new field, which is applied to all the disciplines. All these predictions, analysis is absolutely required for this, all the 4 important disciplines. Not only this, there are whatever the 40, 50, 60 sectors, which is responsible for the socio-economic development. And we know that because of the COVID pandemic situations, we need such kind of the abreast technology, the highest level of technology to give the solutions to the various problems to bring up the proper economy of this nation. I know that yesterday Mr. Nisarga Mehta was giving the very good insight about how this your mobile assistance or digital assistance, that particular software has been developed by the Google. And he was the instrumental for developing this Google Assistant software. And what is the architecture behind that? How the users can connect to the engine, and the engine inside this particular mobile, and which is They are to interpret and analyze and mine that particular data, make that particular data available. Nisarg has mentioned very nicely yesterday, and he is going to highlight some of the more insight as far as the technological perceptions. And as he is a very young dynamic, I think that he is about 23 person, but he is giving the insight to all the students how to get engaged with the Google-like company. You know, the Google, Microsoft, Facebook, these are the best of the best company for AI and data science, because basically basic backbone of this, all the companies are the AI and data science. There is a Mr. Pranay Vasani, who is the chief architect, and as far as he is from the United States, he is heading to in the analytic field, specifically business analytic and data analysis. If you look at to the current problems which are requiring the zettabyte and petabytes of the data, as far as the volumetric data which is generated across into the field, how to analyze data, how to prune the data, how to clean the data, how to process the data, he is going to highlight on it, all this. I know that one of our alumni, Mr. Amit Andre, and he fortunately he is also the member of the IPSC, and he will be giving the insights on the data science and artificial intelligence. He is heading this one of the entity again based on the artificial intelligence data science, and he's also the mentor for some of the projects. I'm sure Arpit Mehta's yesterday's session was very insightful, and he has given the very systematic explanations between the what is the difference between artificial intelligence, what is between the difference between data science, how the various field AI, ML, computer engineering, computer science, mathematics, statistics, how these are integrated to each other to give to the solutions to the any kind of the problems perhaps. I think that this particular wonderful sessions, and specifically this workshop, because we have embedded the workshop also, the practical hands-on should be given to the students. Ultimately, the student community should be benefited. I am sure the prospective student who will be taking the admissions to this particular course will be the most demanded persons in the world. With these words, once again, I welcome you, all the participants, the faculty members and heads of the department, and the deans of the D.Y. Patil. I would like to congratulate everybody, and I wish all the best to you for this particular program. Over to you, Snehal. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for you motivating us and guiding us with your enriching words. Before we start with the session, there are some instructions for participants. I request everyone to mute your audio and video so that bandwidth problem will not disturb the session. Student, kindly raise your hands for asking questions. You can unmute yourself for asking question whenever it will be asked to do so. Moving ahead, may I now request session chair Dr. Sandeep Shekhar, Dean R&D, to take a charge of session and introduce our first eminent speaker. Over to you, Shekhar, sir.
AI in interdisciplinary field. Thank you very much, Dr. Amit. Thank you.
Thank you.
Over to Snehal, madam.
Thank you, Shekhar, sir. As we have come to the closure of morning session of this webinar, may I now request HOD Information Technology, Dr. Preeti Patil ma'am, to propose vote of thanks. Over to you, Preeti ma'am. Ma'am, unmute your audio. Hello, ma'am, you are not audible. Unmute your audio.
Hello, am
Yes,
I audible now?
Yes, yes, clear.
Yes. A very good afternoon to one and all. We are come to the end of the 7th session of the 4-day international web workshop on AI and data science. So I would like to first of all thank all the eminent speakers who were there for today's session, and also Shekhar sir, who very well hosted this as a session chair, and also Snehal madam for comparing this particular session. So let me, I take this privilege and honor to express a vote of thanks to on the session for at the end of the 7th session. I would like to express my deep sense of gratitude to our honorable management for being with us all the time as a source of motivation and constant support. I would like to thank Honorable Chairman Sri Satish D. Patil and Honorable Campus Director Colonel S.K. Joshi sir, who has been a constant support and encouragement throughout this workshop. I'm very grateful to our Honorable Principal Dr. Vijay Badhai sir and Honorable Vice Principal Dr. Mrs. P. Malti for being a backbone support for this entire workshop and being there all the time for their valuable guidance. I would like to thank all my colleague HODs, Dr. Khairnar sir, Dr. Musmade sir, Dr. Kutawar sir, for their coordination as chief coordinators along with me, and all the HODs and deans who have shaped the sessions with active contributions to for this workshop. Let me especially thank all our wonderful speakers for all the 4 days, and especially for today's Mr. Sandeep Mallu sir, Head of Analytics and Hiring, Remner, who has very well explained today, beautifully explained how to make career in data science without even knowing the coding skills. So next speaker was Mr. Nisarg Mehta, who was from Google Assistance App Community Developer, who has very beautifully explained digital transformation, which is a driving growth with the digital innovation. I would like to thank Mr. Pranav Vasani, Director Client Solutions at Wiz AI USA, who has explained us about natural language processing specially. He explained how the natural language processing is growing very faster with a better computations, and also explained various computations which we have in natural language processing. Lastly, we had Dr. Amit Andre, who is a senior data scientist and vice president of Technology Services Vinces Corporation, New York, USA, who is also our IQSC member of CYP COE, who has very beautifully and fantastically explained all the AI methodologies, conventional AIs, computational AIs, and many more cutting edge technologies of AI and its applications beautifully. So I express my heartfelt thanks to all the speakers who have been there for all these 4 days and today as well. So lastly, I would like to express the huge force of people or the coordination who has been working at the back end, my faculty coordinators, for their contribution in making this workshop a grand success. So I would like to thank our expert and guest coordination team, Mrs. Dipali Goyal, Mrs. Parvati Bhadre, Mrs. Ruchira Deshmukh, Mr. Paurush Kaushal, and also the hosting the meeting team who was coordinating with Microsoft team, Mr. Abhijit Patankar sir, Dr. Kailash Shaw, Mrs. Vinita Erente, Mr. Pramod Deshmukh, Mrs. Himani Patel, and Mr. Kishore Bangle sir. Our anchoring team, who very well did their job, Mrs. Tripti Va, Mrs. Dipali Rane from IT department, Mrs. Aditi Kalia, and Mrs. Nehal Gaikwad. So I thank the registration quiz and Google form who has been a team for all the assessment which that has been done after the sessions have been conducted. Mr. Manish Sharma, Mrs. Vaishali Kolhe, Mrs. Amita Jaju, Madam, Mrs. Rachna Sangeet Rao, Mr. Vinod Manik. And recording of these video sessions, which we all enjoy after the session, which that is being done by our experts, Mr. Vipin Vibhute sir, Mr. Rahul Pawar, and Mr. Suraj Kurde sir. Our documentation team, which we have Mr. Suresh Rangankar sir, Mrs. Dipali Rane from Computer Department, Mrs. Rashmi Deshpande, Madam, Mrs. Aarti Gaikwad, are the team, and the certificates which all the participants would be getting at the last would be coordinated by Mr. Jayan Chimpi sir. Flyer designing is being coordinated by Sonam Patil madam and Bhagyashri madam from computer. Media publicity is very well coordinated by Mr. Rachit Roshan sir. So let us I express my heartfelt thanks to all these coordinators who has taken a lot of efforts day and night in making this session a grand success. So, and we have a wonderful session afternoon also, which is being conducted by our hands-on session conducted by Mr. Arpit Yadav on ML workflow in industries and ML projects. So let's all not forget to join back at probably 1:30 so that we all enjoy this. So before this AI and data science, I am sure there were no one telling future is predictable. Once this AI and data science came into existence, today future is predictable. So let's all become a future ready. Let us all make ourselves future ready for sustainable growth and sustainable career growth, and also make in India, contribute to the Make in India and Restart India. So let us all come together by 1:30 and join back. Thank you everyone, one and all, directly, indirectly, who has been contributing in this workshop. And let's not forget our wonderful participants who have participated in all these 4 days of workshop. Thank you, one and all. Over to you, Snehal madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, participants, for your patient listening. Here I declare end of morning session and will meet for hands-on session on artificial intelligence sharp at 1:25 p.m. Thank you all.